Hello, fellow classmates of Com 310. My name is Lydia Fry, and I will be presenting you my website from this semester. We first have our home page with my logo, Recipes by Dorothy Louise, my grandmother's picture, Dorothy Louise, and the four main topics of the website with the main navigation and secondary navigation. We'll go to About, and the repetition of the navigations are still the same on this page with some information about my grandmother. The next link is Recipes, where the recipes will be posted, cooking tips, as well as a contact page. And I used the name Dorothy Louise because as the semester started, September 16th, I knew that my grandmother's health was failing, and she passed away about 3 weeks into the semester. I'm her namesake. I'm Lydia Louise, and then my daughter is Shelby Louise. The purpose of this website is to honor her and the memories I have of cooking with her and enjoying meals with her. My design decisions come with repetition of using these pictures. I've used the breakfast picture and the cooking tips in the other 2 pages. And the color palette I chose from the website I used. Go to the style guide down below. Shows the inspiration from Crayola and Paula Deen for design. And on this style guide, it shows my purpose, sitemap, wireframes, branding, typography, navigation, as well as the photo design to download from the Photoshop. What I have learned from this semester is all entirely new. With the HTML and the CSS, the most difficult was controlling the position of the elements for me. I am grateful for all the things I have learned this semester, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas.